All right. Today we're going to see something different that you haven't seen before, and I would like you to give me your ears. If it's your first time to be on this channel, please just know you're on the right track, and just know that you're going to learn a lot of things. And for today, we're going to do the Frenchy cornrows. This is not always for natural hair. Like I've been asked those questions like, is it for natural hair only? But it's not at all. Even those ones with straight hair can still have it. So this time I did my design this way, as you can see, and after doing that, I'm going to first apply the oil. But let's first do this so that we can continue. Alright, we are going to follow each step by step because this style is very simple, and we are going to be using our soft kinky. Here I'm showing you when it is cut, and let me try to show you how it's supposed to look when it is still long, because people have started asking those things, and this is how the soft kinky looks. So you can cut it, and then after you start crocheting it. So you're seeing how I'm trying to do it. I'm going to start crocheting it the way it is supposed to be. So here it is. You can see how the head shape is, and I'm going to try to crochet it according to the line where I want it to pass. So this is the line, the way it's supposed to be. How do you always know the line? I told you that if you really want to learn more, you should always try to listen to my words, because at times there are other things that you won't know by saying, like, you won't understand. But if you try to listen to what I'm telling you, trust me, you will get to learn something, and even to know all those secrets about it. So if we are trying to do this, you just have to follow the line. And how do you know the line? The line comes to someone's forehead, like on the corner. You know, like the forehead has got two corners, so from the corner it's where the line starts from. So you just have to make it look straight, and then that can be your line. So I think we're together there if I tell you to do so. So we are doing the crocheting, as you can see. I'm going to try to be speedy here so that we get to learn to know this thing, because here the same thing is that I be crocheting it following my lines, and it's the same side on the other hand. So I just do it that way, and I keep on twisting the way we're supposed to twist the spring twist. There's another thing I told you, that this one is not for natural hair only. It can also be for straight hair. Those people with lax hair, you can still have this hair. It's not only for natural hair. So when you do this, you just have to keep on balancing, so that you should not put a lot. Yes, because you don't you just have to keep on balancing. And I've been telling you that trimming is always good. Like whenever you try to twist something, then you make sure that you trim, so that you can make your twisting very neat. So those ones, if it is your first time to be on our channel, there is a video that I posted for the French cornrows. If you'd want to know about it, you can go and check it out, so that we can move together. And those ones who don't know the person who is talking right now, I'm called Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on that is my personal account. You can just go and follow Instagram, Maurice the Crochet master. Yes, you can see me. And if you want to follow Hair Zipper page, it's on Instagram, Hair Zipper, Facebook, Hair Zipper, and you good to go. Yes, so you see how we keep on twisting the way it is. And sorry, I would like to shout out to our friends in Canada, Netherlands. Thank you so much for watching us, and I believe we are doing a great job for you, and I hope so that you're also learning. And shout out to those ones, United Kingdom and United States of America. Thank you so much for the love and support. And those ones in United Emirates, South Africa, Kenya, Nairobi, and those ones in there are a lot the lot I can't face Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much. So this is how we keep on twisting our spring. But I would like to still to tell you this thing is that whenever you're doing this, try to balance. It's not like you will just pack it. Yes, try to balance so that the head shape of your client is on the same. So you can see how I've balanced it. It's not too much on her head because I'm just trying to get the shape and how I want it to be. So when I'm done with that, the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try to arrange them on the side where she's going to be leaving it. So I try to arrange it. Yes, and you know what is next when we arrange. So this is very important. Like just have to arrange each and every twist. You make sure that you arrange it in the right direction so that it gives you the trimming very easily. So that's how we do. You can see how I have tried to arrange them. And the next time that I'm going to do, I'll be trying to cut so that I level my French cornrows, so coils. Oh, sorry, French cornrows. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to try to trim here, as you can see, slowly by slowly. Yes, you just trim slowly by slowly. It's not like you can just come and trim. I always tell you something about that thing, that it's always good at least you start trimming a little so that you come up as you just adding slowly by slowly, not like starting from up. Yes, it's not good. What if a client wants it to be long? So that's how it's supposed to be. And then you see how I'm trying to trim it, very perfect, just slowly by slowly like this. Oh yes, just like that. Yes, you see what I'm doing, just like that. Wow, I just love it already. Yes, so when you're done with that, you just trim even the other side the way it's supposed to be. And wow, I just like what I'm seeing. You see how it looks, very perfect. I just love it. So this thing is not it's just a simple style. You can have it for like those with natural hair can have it for like 2 to 3 weeks. Yes, and those ones with straight those ones they can have it with 2. Yes, they can have it for 2 weeks. Maybe if the hairline is good, they can still also reach 3. So that's how this style is. Just very simple. Yeah, and when a very simple and protective, so it gives your hair that free space for the air to it gives it that time for it to breathe. So it is very nice. You can see how it looks. I really love it. So for now, I'm going to sign out, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe because more are still to come. So you can go in my comment section, please try maybe to appreciate, or you can tell me something that you'd want to watch next so that I can prepare myself and give it to you.
Bye bye. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I sign out.